Hi all, good morning. Today I am going to present a case study about nonlinear business solutions for entrepreneurs. So before that, we'll have a little introduction about the existing business models. So business models will be quite linear or non-linear. So today we are going to discuss about non-linear business models that will make us to become very rich. Non-linear business models. So before that, we'll take a look on linear business model. So it's a business that takes in components, creates finished products or services, and sells to consumers. So linear companies create value in the form of goods or services, and they'll sell them to someone downstream in their supply chain. So here few models are displayed. A platform, which means many people work together to sell many products, and here we are going to concentrate on this part, nonlinear business solutions. So which is of course a software company where you will be making only one product and indefinitely we go on selling it. So if we develop a product or a software one time, we could sell as long as it sustain in the industry and it services the people. An example of Microsoft products. So they design a product only one. For example, you could take operating system or office product. So you could buy a laptop of different manufacturers, so which is pre-installed by many operating systems, and if it is Windows, then definitely the Microsoft company will earn some amount from the product which we are purchasing. So if we think about globally, so the purchase of OS Windows operating system is very high, and they are earning each and every day $1,000,000. And service provider means, so we'll like Infosys, CTS, TCS, they are all service providers. They'll hire the people to sell one product for their clients. And a product company, they'll make one product and sell that one product, like car companies. With this little note, I'll take a tour around a few success stories of people who earned $1,000,000 asset that would definitely make us to think, why can't I become an entrepreneur with zero investments? So when we think about non-linear business for entrepreneurs, so software product is the solution that makes us to be very rich in a short period, in a shorter time. So we need only a thought process for that, and of course the with zero investment means we need of course a laptop with the internet. That's enough. Okay, since we are since the SNS institution, we are all already in design thinking curriculum. We have the ability to handle the situation very easily, and becoming an entrepreneur is no more dream for us. So with this little note, so I am going to take a tour around few entrepreneurs. They involved in nonlinear business and earned an asset of more than $1,000,000. So with this picture, could you able to infer some knowledge? So so this is a simple website named as a $1,000,000 homepage. A website designed by Alex True. Before that, I will take you to the website here. So this is the website, $1,000,000 homepage website. So this is only a single page, so nothing more than that. If you click any of these icons or images here, it will take you to the respective site. The aim of the site is it is simply an advertisement. So you could advertise by your logo, images, So it will take us to, if we click on any of the images, it will take us to the respective web page. Here the developer is the developer of this $1 million homepage is Alex Tu. He developed in the year 2005. Alex Tu is a student from England. So the main motto of him to come up with this solution is to raise some money for his university education. So this home page consists of million pixels arranged in 1000 by 1000 pixel grids. So he sold each pixel $1. Okay, so totally this page is of 1 million pixel. So anyone who wants to buy a pixel, they need to pay him $1. So usually one pixel is not sufficient to display the images like this. So he sold in terms of 10 by 10 grid pixels. So if we buy 10 by 10 pixels, we need to invest $100. That is of course US dollar. Everything is sold out, and he now owns $1 million asset. Okay, so he come up with an idea to pay his tuition fee for the university. Okay, so now the page is full, completely filled with 1000 by 1000 pixels, that is $1 million, and he earns it. And he has just a navigation bar. So this will take you to the respective sites. Okay, this is the history about the $1 million home page. So it was developed by Alex Tu, a student, to raise money for his university education. So since everything is sold out, and now he becomes the co-founder and co-CEO of the app named as Calm. I think everybody might be heard about the app called Calm in Apple iOS. So just have a look at this snippet. So when I started playing this video, unknowingly I started breathing in for 15 seconds and breathing out for 30 seconds. So actually, Calm is a software company based on San Francisco, California. It produces meditation products including guided meditations and sleep stories with an aim of helping adult listeners sleep. So, and it won the best app of the year 2017 in Apple's worldwide developer conference. So the app was designed by, again, the 1 million page website developer Alex Tu, along with one more person. Now they both are the co-founder and co-CEO of this Calm product. Okay, this is an Apple this is an app for iOS product, so that mainly concentrates on meditations and sleep stories. Okay, this is one success story of, again, by the $1 million homepage owner Alex Tu. And here is one more success story. This is literally funny to see the success story of this app, I Am Rich. Again, this is an Apple app. So the name of the app is simply I Am Rich. Okay, so it is for an iOS application developed by Armin Heinrich, a German person, and which was distributed using the App Store. So when launched, while launching this app, the screen only contains the glowing red gem and an icon. So this is the glowing red gem. That's it, nothing more than that. This app does nothing more than glowing this red gem, and when and when the icon is pressed, it will simply display the mantra as I am rich, I deserve it, I am good, healthy and successful. The sole purpose of this app is to show other people that they were able to afford it. So since this when launched in the year 2008 August 6, that the date everything is mentioned here. So it cost literally $1,000 US dollar. So think of it today, 1000 US dollar. If we put 70 rupees per dollar, means it's almost 70,000 this app cost, the costliest app at that time. So but it literally does nothing. So there are certain kinds of people around the world, all over, something like there are few people who literally buy this app also, but the app does nothing, just it displays this simply the glowing red gem and with some mantra. Okay, so why Armin designed this kind of app means, so if someone holds an app in their mobile phone, it shows that they are able to afford this app. So just it is to showcase them they are affordable to hold this app in their mobile or smartphone. So the application was removed the next day immediately by the Apple. It was released on August 5th, 2008, and it was removed from the App Store on the next day, August 8th, because there was what to say, there was some backslash among the people from that community. We might think that nobody would buy this an app, but if we think like so, then we would be wrong. So actually around 8 people have bought this app I'm rich for $1,000, but that was it. With 8 people who bought the app, Henrich earned around $5,600, and with a commission of $2,400 for Apple. So though its life is short pan, so that didn't go unnoticed by the backslash of media. So the next year, Henrich released I Am Rich LE again with the brand name of I Am Rich LE, priced around $10. That has feature rich, that has many features. Okay. So think about why I have shown this app is just think about Henrich came up with an idea of an app that does literally nothing, just simply glowing this red gem and with some mantra, and and it was super costly, $1,000, to show that to show some sort of people that they are able to afford this product. Simply it serves that purpose. So later it was removed. So that is a success story of this product app I Am Rich, though it was removed, and the author came, the developer again came up with the same product I Am Rich LE with some features. Okay. So if you want to learn more about it, just Google it and get a knowledge about this I Am Rich LE. And next I am going to show you a success story of a Chennai techie today. Back then he had no knowledge about software. So here he is his name is Raja. He won the Best Outstanding Apple Design Award in the year 2018 at San Jose for his invention of a product named as Calzi. So think of it, if we design a calculator today, so it looks little odd, weird for us, since calculator exists everywhere. So why should we design again the product, the same product again? But this Chennai techie, he designed it, and he was honored by an by Apple in the year 2018 for Best Design Award. Okay, during Apple Developers Worldwide Conference. So every year, I think in the month of September, Apple will host an Apple Worldwide Developer Conference. So in 2018, he was awarded with Best design. Okay, so the product he come up is he came up was just a calculator with many features he imbibed. Okay, so this is the tweet about him. Raja Vijayaraman. Okay, so he had no experience in software, no programming knowledge. Only the patient brings him to this Apple Worldwide Developer Conference stage. Okay, so and he won the Best Design Award. Okay, so we should not think of a calculator, simply a calculator. That's since the product is existing in all handheld devices, laptop, computers. He again designed the same product and won the Best Design Award. So we can also come up with some solutions like that. Okay, only patient is all about the success. Okay, and so during this quarantine time, by reading lot of stuffs, I have come up by designing few simple web pages. So this is a web page designed by me. I have learned Bootstrap during this quarantine time, and I have applied Bootstrap to design this web page. So this web page literally runs in all kind of devices. When the device is very small, the thing gets sorted out. The images are in one page. So and the menus will the hamburger menu turns to be like this. When I expand this page, it takes up the images into two column. Later, for the larger devices like desktop, it takes up into 3 columns. Okay, so this is a web page I have designed, and this is one more web page I have designed. So with our HOD ma'am, she insisted to come up a solution to bring all sorts of people like plumber, electrician, mechanic, painter, so everybody in one single site. So I have come up with one simple web page design. This is static, it is under development, it is not fully developed. I mean I have given the name for the site as Kanite. So just a static page I have designed it. It is under development. This is one of my work, and this is another one. And this is since I learned few courses from Udemy, I have come up with a few web pages. This is one more web page. I have designed after completing an web technology course in Udemy again. And I am halfway around this book, so I kindly suggest everyone, if you get time, so buy this book, The $1 Million 1% Business. So it offers the widest range of people the most ways to earn a living while having the lifestyles they want. Okay, it's a good book. So if time permits, buy this book and go through the business strategies they have offered in this book. I'm halfway around that. So that's it about my presentation. Thank you all.